Hey guys, back with another video. Gonna replace this dryer hose vent tube because clearly you can see it's broken. But yeah, just wanted to clean everything up here because it's really easy to not clean up after, when you're doing a project like this, but I think it's very important. And I just want to show you there that they use duct tape. And I think that using duct tape may have actually been more expensive than doing it the correct way. And I'll show you that here in a little bit. But it's really cheap. I think I bought this set that you're going to see here in a second. Yeah, this set here I think I bought for less than $20. And I bought a couple hose clamps that were like $1 each or something. But anyway, put it on there. And right here's the clamp. You can see how I slid that off there. I'm going to have an arrow here in a second showing you more. But just slide this over. It's a 4-inch pipe. You're going to want to make sure, see the clamp right there. You're going to want to make sure that you get the right size, but universal size is 4 inches. So you got to slide that other clamp on before you do this. And then I found that the best way to do this was just to spin it on there. And then, yeah, just reconnect it to the dryer and tighten up that clamp, plug it back in. You're going to see it run here. There you go. Alright, and I just want to show it running, going through the vent like it's supposed to. That thing's broken and there's some stuff on there. But anyway, maybe I'll replace that vent in a future video. Alright, hope you guys liked it.